Hello everyone, today we will unbox this original DELL M5Y1K original battery and educate you how to identify a original battery and what are the benefits of original battery and from where you should buy this. This original battery is directly imported by DELL International Services, Bangalore, and after that it is distributed through the dealer network and then it goes to customers. So this battery is imported by DELL in India on 30th January 2022 and its MRP is rupees 4199, and on this label DELL's complete address of DELL Bangalore branch is completely mentioned here, and also the customer care number is also there. DELL supplies all accessories in this kind of corrugated boxes for eco-friendly packaging. We will cut this tape here. And inside this corrugated box there is a foam packaging also, just to protect this battery during transportation. And this is another bubble wrap package inside the corrugated boxes, and we will open this seal. So this is your DELL 40 watt hour battery, and battery number is M5Y1K. You can see this.